This is a fit for a 2015 through 2018 and likely beyond Ford F150 with a 5.5 foot bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the RockyMounts 60-inch F150 track. This track is connected into the cleat factory mounting positions using a custom bracket and the 60-inch track. This track allows for attachment of RockyMount fork mount bicycle carriers for a very clean, integrated connection. It's fastened using torx fasteners, which provide excellent security. It offers a durable powder coat finish constructed of extruded aluminum with metal L brackets. Retains the use of the actual cleat from the factory. All the necessary mounting hardware is included. This can accommodate bikes weighing up to 60 pounds each. This product and the full line of RockyMount products are available at rockoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.